welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos, my name is Elle Morgan and I do fashion videos and I do lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that type of content, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you will be updated. That's not what I was trying to say. So you'll be notified when your girl uploads a new video, because I will be your best friend in your head. By the time you reach the end of this video, you will see that we are BFFs, okay? I'm your best friend. All right, so on to today's video. So as you guys have kind of seen, I've started back really getting back into thrifting like I used to be back when I first started my channel, like well, this channel in particular, because I had another one, but this one I started back in 2012 and I really was heavily into thrifting, and now I've gotten back into that. So since I'll be posting more videos about that, I wanted to do this one just sharing some thrifting tips that I've learned and picked up along my whole thrifting journey. So the first tip I have for thrifting is take your time. Like, don't go to the thrift store if you don't have a lot of time to spare, because it's not gonna be very beneficial, because when you're thrifting, you are literally looking at almost every piece. I know I do. I almost look at every piece on the rack. And you need a lot of time to do that. You don't want to be rushed. It's like a treasure hunt, okay? So you want to take your time, look through the rack, see anything that catches your eye, see anything that'll be fun for your wardrobe. You know, you don't want to be rushed doing that. I hate being rushed shopping anyway. I always like to make sure I have enough time, especially when it comes to like shopping for clothes. I do not like being rushed. Most of the times I like to go by myself. I like to go I like to go at my own pace. So I really don't like to go shopping with other people unless we kind of on the same wavelength about how we're shopping. You know, I hope that makes sense. Okay, my next tip is don't buy it unless you're gonna actually wear it. Now this goes for not just thrift shopping, but shopping in general, but mostly for thrift shopping, because you're getting stuff that's super inexpensive. So you're like, oh, okay, yeah, this is okay, I get it, blah, blah, you know. And that was a mistake that I made at the beginning of me really getting into thrifting, was just getting stuff because it was super expensive and I didn't really like it for real, but I was just like, oh yeah, this is $2, I'll get it. But if you think about it, them $2 add up, okay? If you're getting like 5 pieces that you don't really care for and they're like $2 a piece, that's $10, okay? That adds up. And then that's taking up space in your closet where you could have gotten something else that you actually really wear. So you're kind of wasting money. Even though it's inexpensive, you still wasting money. And that adds up, okay? I don't have time to be wasting no dollars, okay? And if it's $1 and I don't like it, I'm not getting it. I do not care. Okay, that's my mindset now. Okay, my next tip is to make sure you double check the clothes for any stains or holes. Now sometimes you might see something that have a stain that you could possibly get out, but if it's like an ink pen, or if it's something that's just like really like, it's really stained, then I would avoid getting it unless you are really good at getting stuff like that out. For me, I'm kind of lazy. I like for myself to already be good to go, and all I gotta do is just wash it. You know, I don't really like having to do a whole lot of altering to the pieces that I find unless I'm just absolutely in love with it. But yeah, that's just me. And I definitely would check and make sure that nothing has any like major holes or any burn marks, because that's happened to me. I fell in love with some pants and I looked at the bottom and the bottom was jacked up, you know. So you definitely want to check before you like purchase or try on or anything like that. Okay, and my next tip is to experiment. Like, this is the perfect time to experiment and have fun with your wardrobe, because A, you're getting stuff that's super inexpensive, and B, because a lot of this stuff is going to be like one of a kind or going to be hard to find, you know what I mean? So this is a perfect time to be able to play around with your style, and if you're finding your personal style, just being able to just experiment and just explore and find like new fun pieces that you can play around with that nobody will more than likely probably won't have. Because, you know, funny story, the last time I went thrifting, I actually saw a shirt that I actually got from another thrift store that was in there. And this wasn't like a known brand. It looked like it was a vintage brand, like an older brand. So that's why I said that more than likely someone else might. Okay, and my last tip is to have an open mind. Don't just go to like, okay, I wear a size medium, I'm just gonna shop on the medium racks. No, shop all the racks, okay? Even if it says plus size and you're not plus size, it doesn't matter. You can like alter it or do something fun with the garment or whatever and make it into something else, even if it's not technically your size. So I definitely say have an open mind. Go to the men's section, girl. Look through the men's shirts. Like, just, you know, just have fun with it. Okay guys, so that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips. If you have any additional tips, then make sure you leave them down below. And if I come up with anything else, because this is all that I could think of last night, with any more tips, I definitely would do a part 2 to this video. But yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell, and make sure you check the description box below for all my social media networks, and shop my store, shop notyouraveragemama.com. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.